believe in the partnership with OEMs, which help in giving the best products, the best solutions, and the best technology, which is finally replicated in the industry growing. So this is what we talk about, a collaboration with OEMs. And at the heart of everything is a customer.
Here in AMTEX, we have presented our SNC machine. For this machine, we have collaborated with Mobil Oil. We are using chiller oil, hydraulic and lubrication. All three oils we use of Mobil make.
मोबिल वेक्ट्रा क्या है? ये हमारी जो भी हमारे बाल स्क्रू स्लाइड पे हो गया उनके लाइफ को बढ़ाता है। सजेस्ट करूँगा कि मोबिल वेक्ट्रा को ही यूज में लें, ताकि जो मशीनों की लाइफ बाल स्क्रू गाइड हुई ये क्या है बहुत कॉस्टली होती हैं, तो जिसकी वजह से बार बार रिपेयर ना करना पड़े। तो मोबिल वेक्ट्रा इज ए वेरी बिग ऑप्शन।
We are here at the exhibition. We have partnered with a couple of renowned names, and when you do go around, we invite you to actually have a look at how it's replicated. You will see two things there. You'll see our brand. It'll be the filled with mobile stickers. So that is what you see. What you don't see is the lube which is running the machine. That is the heart of the machine, which gives the production, which gives the protection, and which gives the efficiency of what is expected.